Hey there! Are you struggling to make ends meet? Do you want to learn how to earn money like a pro? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you some tried and true methods for earning money like a pro. Section 1. Develop a skill. The first step to earning money like a pro is to develop a valuable skill. Whether it's coding, writing, design, or anything else, having a skill that people are willing to pay for is essential. Take the time to invest in yourself, learn new things, and hone your craft. The more skilled you are, the more valuable you become, and the more money you can make. Section 2. Create a portfolio. Once you've developed your skill, it's time to create a portfolio. A portfolio showcases your best work and gives potential clients or employers a sense of what you're capable of. Include your most impressive projects and make sure your portfolio looks clean and professional. Section 3. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to earn money like a pro is through freelancing. Freelancing allows you to work on your own schedule, take on projects that interest you, and earn a decent income. There are plenty of freelance platforms out there, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, where you can find work that matches your skill set. Section 4. Sell your products or services. If you're skilled at creating products or providing services, you can earn money like a pro by selling them. Whether it's selling digital products online or providing consulting services, there are plenty of ways to turn your skills into a profitable business. Section 5. Invest in stocks and cryptocurrency. Another way to earn money like a pro is by investing in stocks and cryptocurrency. While this may be a bit riskier than the other methods I've mentioned, it can also yield significant returns if done correctly. Take the time to learn about investing, do your research, and consider consulting with a financial advisor before investing your money. Conclusion. So there you have it. Those are some of the best ways to earn money like a pro. Remember, it takes time, effort, and dedication to become successful, but with the right skills, portfolio, and mindset, you can earn a comfortable income and live the life you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey.